Hey internets! So have you ever been to a fancy restaurant and wondered, how do they get my dish to me so quickly and still be delicious? Now this question didn't really dawn on me until I binge watched Kitchen Nightmares with my wife. After watching that series, I realized that running a restaurant is similar to building a product or a website, but done more quickly. And when you create a product, whatever it may be, the most important part is the user experience. One of my favorite restaurants to go to here in San Diego is Juniper and Ivy. The food is so good, the dining room is beautiful, and the staff are very nice. If you're eating at the desserts counter, where desserts are made, you can even ask the chef about the dish that they're making. I generally prefer going to a restaurant with an open kitchen. Being able to watch the process of how dishes are made is so interesting to me. It's like watching a well-orchestrated dance, but with fire. Everyone there has a purpose, and everything moves so quickly and smoothly. Now, just like building a product or a website, in the end, the user experience will either make you or break you. For restaurants, you basically need fresh ingredients, a clean and well-organized kitchen, a clean and beautiful dining area, and a fast and attentive waitstaff. So first, the fresh ingredients. If your ingredients are old or rotten, it doesn't matter what your kitchen, your dining room, or your waitstaff is like. If those are all good, your customer is still not going to eat a disgusting plate. Okay, 2, the kitchen area. If your kitchen is dirty and unorganized, the chefs and cooks will have a hard time finding the right tools that they need to cook the food. And they'll be too busy cleaning the stations first before they get to cooking the food. Okay, number 3, the dining room. If it's dirty, most people might not want to eat there. And lastly, your waitstaff. If your customers are waiting for their drinks, their menus, their food, or even the check at the end of the meal, they're going to have a bad time and they'll probably leave a bad Yelp review. Okay, so that's running a restaurant, but how does that compare to building a product or a website? So just like a restaurant, let's talk about those 4 things. First one, fresh ingredients. The fresh ingredients are like your strategy, your style guide, your imagery, and even your copy. All of these things need to be prepped first before bringing it into the kitchen, or in other words, before the building process starts. Okay, second thing, a clean and well-organized kitchen is just like making sure that your files and your folder structures are very organized and named properly. Making sure that your code is super clean and has notations so that way another developer can jump right in and he or she can do whatever they need to do. Making sure that your design files and layers are labeled properly. Also making sure that you're using the right tools for the right job. Okay, number 3. A clean and beautiful dining area is equivalent to a very easy to use interface or front-end design. And lastly, your waitstaff. That's equivalent to your web servers, your optimized code, and your customer support team. Because no one likes going to a website or using a platform that's very laggy. Also, when someone has a question about your platform or website, a customer support member should be ready to help quickly. To summarize, user experience isn't one person or one department's responsibility, it's the whole company's responsibility. Because the user experience comes from the inside out. In the end, if the chefs and cooks have a shitty time cooking your food, then that expensive filet mignon you just ordered is most likely going to taste like shit. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Please let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And as always, make the web beautiful. See ya.